What's up, everybody? This is Eddie from MTD. It's a great day to have a great day, and I am hanging out with one of the most beastly and innovative machines in the manufacturing industry, the Flex CNC, here from Flex Machine Tools. And who better to hang out with than my guy, Logan Skelly. Hey, how you doing today, Logan?
Fantastic. How are you, Eddie?
Hey, it is awesome, and I see lots of chips here, so you know we're getting ready to talk about what's going on here. So with that, Flex, obviously my old stomping grounds, always love to come back here, and this was one of my favorite machines to be able to study and to look at when we're here. So for individuals who may live under a rock, Logan, what is this incredible piece of machinery that you call the Flex CNC?
Yeah, so this right here, this is our C-Series machine. It's a 20-foot bed by 2-foot bed. We have tons of customers across the country using this machine to increase their efficiency and throughput with their parts. You know, obviously, with this big open bed, you can fit much larger, longer parts on this thing, which is obviously the initial appeal. But what customers tend to find is they can use this machine to run their small parts too, which obviously you see right here, we have this going on for demo purposes, some smaller parts. But it's really common. We have customers 10, 15, 20 vices set up to run several parts at a time, right? And what we call our pendulum mode. So there's a couple different ways to do that. You could run it like back and forth, like a ping pong style, and you'll have some down here, and while it's running the machine down here, you've got a guy, an operator on this end, taking parts on, taking parts off, putting parts on, so the machine never stops. Or you could just follow the spindle, you're pulling parts off as soon as the machine finishes it, to where the operator doesn't stop, the machine doesn't stop, and your parts keep running.
Man, you had me at ping pong, but a machine that never stops. So that's a bold statement, but I know Flex, if it's anything, it's bold. And knowing that, how is this machine staying bold and changing the game for machinists and fabricators across the industry?
Yeah, you know, honestly, I think part of it is the ease of use of this machine. It allows those that maybe don't have a lot of experience machining get into it, along with our team that support them along the way. But you know, this machine here is one of our smaller machines, actually. We've got machines that are much larger in length and in width. So our gantry machine can hold parts that are 10 feet wide up to 50 feet long. And so for the big weldments, the big plates, it gives them a machining solution at a really attractive price point that they can rely on to run their big stuff and their small stuff.
And machining solution, what many of them I'm sure are looking for. And if I know Flex like I do, you're really a growth company disguised as a manufacturing company. There's always something in the works. What can you tell us knowing that Flex is, again, always up to something?
Yeah, so what's coming is maybe not in this picture right now, right? We're introducing water jets now. We've got water jets that are changing the game in some respects with some 5-axis capabilities and some of the features we're adding on to that. Maybe that comes at a later date and we show that at a different time, but that's just the beginning, and we're really getting excited about it.
No, I can tell. This place is really excitement contained within 4 walls or a handful of them, so no exception to that specifically. And as we all know, Flex makes good noise within the industry. For those who aren't familiar or who would like to hear more, where can we see and digest more Flex content?
Yeah, our YouTube page is a really good place to do that. Also, our website, we try to keep that up to date. We're also pretty active on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. I think we've got some TikToks floating around there as well, so look for us on there. But we try to be present in almost any arena.
There we go. Hey, clearly a leader in a variety of facets within the industry, and content is no exception to that specific role. So Logan, hey, appreciate your time. Thank you for coming here and flexing with me. You all stay awesome. We'll see you next time.